In the world of construction, every detail matters. From materials to methods, every decision shapes the outcome. Here we delve into the heart of two identical builds, each showcasing a different approach to structural floor installation. Meet the contenders, I-Joist and the MiTek Posi-Strut floor system. Costs, labour, time. Every aspect meticulously captured for an unbiased evaluation. As you can see, the Posi-Strut build on the right has completed beam install at hour 16 and is now ready to commence the install. This is due to the innovative design that doesn't need complex hangers. Being lightweight, the Posi-Struts are easy, safe and quick to install. In fact, trades involved in this project attest to the ease and confidence afforded by the Posi-Strut system. This is especially evident as we see our control build on the left only just moving to the I-Joist install now, which has taken 44 hours, whilst the Posi-Strut build moves to the flooring install. The results are in and they speak volumes. The Posi-Strut system emerges as the frontrunner, with the floor installed after just 75 labour hours. When comparing the total cost of materials, the Posi-Strut floor systems offered a 2% cost advantage over I-Joist and a staggering 65% reduction in labour costs for the framing team. And it doesn't stop there. The Posi-Strut project achieved a remarkable time saving of 5 days, enabling the team to take on additional projects. With 30% less labour hours, the Posi-Strut floor system has proven efficiency and performance, a system that paves the way for a better way to build. Are you ready to rethink your structural flooring? Contact us or find a MiTek-enabled fabricator today.